This is a 1959 Bsa M21 with amazing history. So when I first saw this bike, I thought, what can I say about it? It's black, it doesn't really have any distinguishing features. It's obviously a beautiful British classic, but I didn't really feel inspired to say anything from the heart until I read its history. And what I read was an amazing piece of history. This bike used to be an AA patrol rescue bike. It used to patrol the British highways with its AA rescue person on board, rescuing broken down vehicles from way back in the day. How cool is that? Imagine the stories it could tell. I absolutely love delving into the history of these vehicles, and this certainly has got some history. Amazing. Known for their rugged reliability and heavy-duty build, the M21 was a workhorse for roadside rescue. The M21 was specifically designed for long distances, handling heavy loads and extensive duty with its robust frame. The dependable engine is a powerful 591cc 4-stroke. This one represents a rare survivor and is definitely one for the collectors and enthusiasts, both of classic bikes and the history of the AA. Come and see this bike at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester, or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk.